Next motorcycle, ang tawag dito is Storm 150 ng Vogue. Isa ring napakagandang motor nito. Ang balita, hindi ko pa na validate, pinang-racing daw to. So tinry natin and so far, tapusin ko lang. So far, happy, masaya to. Guys at mga kaaro, matulin, maliit, maliksi, magaan, kaya matulin. Pakita natin up close and personal. Guys, look at that. Ang ganda ng kulay, yellow, gray, black combination. Kita nyo naman, poging-pogi kahit saang side ka tumingin sa kanya, including that headlight right there. Ang ganda guys at mga kaaro, diba? Kita nyo. And then well, like I said, hindi ako mas-scooter, but pagka nagra-ride tayo ng ganito, napakagaan, kaya tuwan-tuwa ako. Ay, sobrang gaan ng pakiramdam mo, no? Chill lang, okay? Color, like I said, really nice, okay? I'm not sure kung ito syempre yung ilalabas mismo sa bansa. I'm not sure kung nandun na, okay? Couple of things, dual ABS, syempre disc brakes na yan, and yeah, for the tires, syempre yung mga alam naman natin, yung mga 120 sa likod. For this was the 90 sa harapan. Syempre double overhead cam, 4 valves. Ito yung pangalan niya. Really nice color, like I said. Ang tulin. Syempre yung tunog nito tahimik lang, cute lang, and wag natin kakalimutan by Vogue. For the seats, okay naman, hindi gaanong or hindi sobrang lambot. Pillion malambot. Ito may lalagyan ng mga tinapa, oh. I'm just kidding, but you know. And then syempre the basics are the side mirrors, you know, throttle, yung mga handles, okay. Pretty much the standard. Ilaw niya meron dito. I suppose these are all LEDs, by the way. Okay. Comes in glossy na paint. As you can see, medyo madumi lang, pero I said a couple of times, pagdating sa paint, hindi na uhuli ang Vogue. Magaling. Okay, we saw the technology that they use. Anyway, that's it muna. I-ride ko na lang ito ulit. And syempre, if you'd like to see updates of the products and you know, mga release promos if there's any, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Pwedeng banggitin ko dito, or syempre follow Vogue Philippines Facebook page, Imus Tarlac, for their branches, and abangan ninyo to kung probinsya, hindi na masama, and that's probably more affordable than the competition. So yun na muna guys at mga kaaro, hanggang sa muli. Thank you so much for watching.